result cache in MyBatis. Here you can see result cache. When creating a session, you can specify which executor to use. In second session level cache, first level cache, level 1 cache is enabled by default. The maximum scope of first level cache of MyBatis is inside the SQL session. In a multiple session or distributed environment, database writes operations will cause dirty data. It is recommended to set the cache level to statement. Statement level cache, secondary cache, caching executor, a level of caching is added to statement, and the other logics is delegated to other executors. Implementation of cache uses the decorator pattern. Synchronized cache, then logging cache, then serialized cache, then LRU cache, then perpetual cache. Following is an introduction to the specific cache implementation classes. There are combination endos cache with different capabilities. Synchronized cache, the implementation is relatively simple and directly use the synchronized modification method. Serialized cache, logging cache, the log function decorator class is used to record the hit rate of the cache. If the debug mode is enabled, the hit rate log will be the output. Serialized cache, serialization function which serializes the value and stores it in the cache. This function is used to cache and return copy of an instance to preserve thread safety. LRU cache implementation use LRU algorithm to remove the last recently used key value. Perpetual cache is the most basic cache class. The underlying implementation is relatively simple and the hash map is used directly. The second level cache exists across sessions, and there are a great risk of reading wrong data. Moreover, most internet applications are distributed, generally do not share the state, and can be expanded horizontally. However, the local cache breaks the stateless state, and it is very likely to read wrong data, so it should be used with caution. Prepared statement cache, PS cache, also called PS cache, the corresponding there is a reuse executor, and that this cache is also at the session level. In addition to caching at MyBatis level, you can also do caching at MySQL driver, and MySQL server. Also, here you can see client interacts with the caching executor. SQL session and configuration are inside MyBatis, and caching executor, and local cache are inside SQL session. Here caching executor interacts with execute interacts with local cache, and executor interacts with database. Here caching execute interacts with configuration. Mapper namespaces are inside configuration. Caches are inside mapper namespaces, and cache interacts with memcache, OS cache, EH cache, etc. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.